Hello everyone, I'm Lily, and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making eggplants with ground meat. Let's take a look at ingredients we'll need. Eggplants, it's best to use longer ones as shown below. Ground meat, both pork and beef works fine. Cilantro, garlic, red chili pepper, oyster sauce, hot bean paste, and seasoned soy sauce for seafood. Thoroughly clean the eggplants, cut out the stem, and make 2 slices at top of the eggplant because they're tougher and not as easily cooked. Cut the longer ones into smaller chunks, depending the size of the pan you are using, making sure they completely fit in your pan. Slice the red chili pepper and dice the garlic. Preheat the pan, then put in about a tablespoon of oil. Put in the eggplants and put the lid on. It is very important to have the lid on, because during this process, a lot of steam will be released and eggplant is cooked by both steam and hot oil. If you don't want to use this method, then you will need to put in more oil since the eggplants will need to be fried for longer. But I personally prefer steam method because it requires less oil and is more healthy. Flip halfway, making sure every side is fried. Poke with chopsticks. If they are soft in the center, then they are fully cooked. The heads of the eggplants take longer to cook. Therefore, they will need more time in the pan. After everything is done, take them out of the pan and put into a plate. Rinse the pan off. Reheat pan again. Put in half a tablespoon of oil. Add in the ground meat and saute. After they turn brown, add in the pepper and garlic and stir fry together. Fry until the garlic becomes fragrant. Add in the oyster sauce, seasoned soy sauce, and bean paste. Stir evenly and then add back in the eggplant. Split eggplants with chopsticks like so. Mix thoroughly until the eggplants are covered by meat and sauce. And then it's all done. This dish goes awesome with rice, but be careful not to eat too much. Alright, that's it for today. If you like more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.